अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड? आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू सो मच अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपकी खिदमत में पेश हैं आज एक नए दिन के साथ, नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ, नई लाइव स्ट्रीम के साथ। तो आप देखिए, मेरी आज की स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू, और आज हम इस पर दोबारा से बात करेंगे। तो आप लोगों की शमूलियत दरकार है और आप लोगों के ज्वाइन करने का भी बेहद शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों, जुड़े रहें, बने रहें और देखते रहे आज की स्ट्रीम। आज हम दोबारा एक बार फिर से अपने प्रोजेक्ट पर ही बात करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड बाकरी। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग बाकरी। हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड डे। आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया बाकरी। So let's start the project and I tell you the NXPC. Thank you so much my lovely friend. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों बाकायदा तौर पर अपने आज के प्रोजेक्ट को। Maple Story Universal is the built on the honest L1 and will interrogated military story IP provide the foundational application such a Maple Story, and it will also in comics past scientific application development by the team along with a battery of external development and the creator's on board application. Thank you again my dear friend gate user the chief. Thank you chief sir. So NXP pool total staking reward 1000000 NXPC and participation 19187. Now total skate NXPC and price pool cap 146.68. Mining day 10 days. Individual hourly cap reward 83.33 NXPC and reward total staking 8205122 NXP and APR 109.54%. And now you see my staking and my reward. Thank you so much my dear friend. Good day. Thank you so much for joining. The gate user the Jalaluddin Rahmani and June. Thank you June, Jalal and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. तो दोस्तों, चलते हैं आगे की तरफ और इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को विजिट करते हैं। थैंक यू। तो आप देख रहे हैं दोस्तों, मेरा आज का स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक गेट लाइव NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू। देखिए आप, मेपल स्टोरी यूनिवर्सल, the first universal in the infinite comes where you are studying at the possible of the universals. Thank you. So you see my dear friend, this is the beautiful picture and I tell you now thank you again. And now the what is your name? Maple Story nickname Maple, random your MS your name. Thank you. And now again meant your main new story Maple in the grand launching. Thank you so much and tell you again. Now climb your next reward and head over the claim. Thank you again. And now the OpenSea primary D drop exemption create get the ready for the XRP shipment. Thank you my dear friend again. And now the random you are दोबारा वही आ गया, तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। खूबसूरत पिक्चर, खूबसूरत थीम्स के साथ है दोस्तों हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट भी। मेपल स्टोरी यूनिवर्सल is a groundbreaking blockchain ecosystem to goes beyond the point of the original Maple Story approach, designed to elevate the unique reward experience RX that Maple Stay has delivered for over to the decided it take the concept to the unchart. Thank you. Now white paper. वाइट पेपर दोस्तों बाद में पढ़ेंगे, अभी थोड़ा सा आपको इसका ग्राफ वगैरह दिखा दूँ, खूबसूरत पिक्चर जो है इसकी वो आपको दिखा दी। सो संजीरी एप्स मेपल स्टोरी, ओह खूबसूरत, देख सकते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल। Thank you so much, my dear friend. This is the beautiful picture of this project. Now, future apps. App Maple Story Explorer in the icon world, thought collaboration, NFT, and the ensure your charter thought about to gameplay. Thank you. खूबसूरत पिक्चर भी साथ साथ देखें। जर्नी माइग्रो प्लेटफॉर्म विंडो लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश इंडोनेशिया जापानीज एंड कोरिया protocol simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Spanish, the Spanish Thai. Thank you so much, BlackRock. Thank you, get user Grobo Bangle, and this name. Thank you, Kasaki. Thank you, and Fender Fiazul Hassan, Bagusa, Fiaz Abbasi. Thank you so much, all my lovely friends. Now, my dear friend, you see the play now. Currency, NESO, Neso. I think Neso. And now MSU Marketplace. Smoother trade better again. The exclusive marketing of MSU where you can to trade NFT smoothly, quickly and effectively. Trade now. Thank you again. Sense 5555. Thank you Sense. More services. Sweep and work. Move anything, miss nothing. Where are you in the universal mess explorer? Thank you again. Join our community and Discord and looking for help. Thank you. The midnight picture, my dear friends. Beautiful picture and midnight picture. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining. तो अभी चलते हैं, अभी आपको इसकी ऑफिशियल मैंने वेबसाइट दिखाई दोस्तों, अभी इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब जाएंगे। थैंक यू। एंड नाउ MSU, MS धोने के बाद MSU। थैंक यू कसाकी एंड यू Fedmal Pocket, thank you. And thank you Gate user Sense Marif, thank you so much Marif, and other Gate user friend, thank you so much. This Beguza, welcome, आपकी मोहब्बत का शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं MSU मार्केट प्लेस की जानिब दोस्तों, और मार्केट प्लेस आपके सामने। एक्चर fruiter now genre with the unique emeralds, thank you so much. And now you see dear friend, new NFT collection grow with user and according your adventure with the universal weapons. Shortly you are journey with the unique emerald. Thank you again my dear friend. Now रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग सेल्स, और खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, NFT एंड FT चार्टर बिल्ड, और आपके सामने लेवल 201 और खूबसूरत पिक्चर के साथ गोल्ड रखा हुआ, इनामात रखे हुए हैं दोस्तों, खूबसूरत है बहुत ज़्यादा। ये भी रिसेंट सेल्स आप देख सकते हैं, इसकी रिसेंट सेल मुख्तलिफ प्राइस चल रहे हैं। Thank you again my dear friend Guribo, winner 180, and Jalaluddin, thank you also Jalal ZX Feeding, thank you. So my dear friend, you see this, and now recent lights listing, और इसकी लिस्टिंग जो हुई है वो भी आपके सामने है, आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, खूबसूरत ग्राफ के साथ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर और ब्राइट पिक्चर। थैंक यू अगेन। एंड नाउ द टॉप ट्रेडर्स, अभी आप टॉप ट्रेडर्स देखें, नंबर 1 पर हैं जो EGM, एंड नंबर 2 पर हैं, और इसके साथ ये आगे आप देख सकते हैं टॉप 10 है मेरे ख्याल में। थैंक यू सो मच अगेन। एंड नाउ द MSU मार्केट प्लेस गाइड, नीड हेल्प विद दिस ट्रेडिंग, द गाइड विल गेट टू स्टार्ट। और ये खूबसूरत पिक्चर आपके सामने दोस्तों, मुलाहिजा कीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब, और स्वीप वार की तरफ चलते हैं। थैंक यू अगेन जलाल जेड एट फीडिंग एंड विनर जलालुद्दीन रहमानी साहब, थैंक यू अगेन जलालुद्दीन रहमानी, आपका भी बेहद शुक्रिया, भक्तों का भी बेहद शुक्रिया। तो देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, आज का मेरा स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक गेट लाइव एन एक्स पी सी प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू। और ये देखिए आप दोस्तों, स्विप गाइड के बारे में आपको बताता चलो। प्लीज इंटर द अमाउंट ऑफ टोकन टू स्विप, यू कैन check the NESONXPC token exchange rate at the bottom of the currency enter window. Please make sure you have such scientific funds. You will be unable to sweep if you have insufficient fund. Thank you again। और आप देख सकते हैं आगे की तरफ जाते हुए, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। Thank you so much, my dear friend। MSU Explorer your blockchain data here। So my dear friend, you see the Explorer blockchain data here, and now I tell you the discovery, the on-chain information, the honest live thought, the Maple Universal Explorer। So my dear friend, you see the black number and total transaction, total account। I tell you, you see dear friend, MCU Explorer। Thank you so much for joining। Now new account create, and the bonus page user, thank you, daily gas fees 31123 my dear friend, and the last block लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी लेटेस्ट ट्रांजेक्शन। दोस्तों आपके सामने हैं तमाम तर, आप टेबल्स के ज़रिए ये सब चीज़ें बखूबी देख सकते हैं। हम बात कर रहे हैं MSU एक्सप्लोरर के ऊपर। थैंक यू सो मच देखने के लिए, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दोस्तों। तो हमने बात की है एक्सप्लोरर योर ब्लैक चैन डाटा के ऊपर। थैंक यू अगेन माय डियर फ्रेंड एंड गुड टू सी यू। नाउ आई टेल यू अगेन, आप दोस्तों के लिए, दोस्तों हमने तमाम तर डिटेल्स आपके साथ की। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर माय डियर जलालुद्दीन रहमानी, विनर 158 ZX feeding and other gates, crypto Rajesh, crypto king Rajesh, this name is too bad, Kasaki, thank you Kasaki, and other gates friend can play people for sub, thank you, and crypto king Rajesh again thank you, and also thanks TRX join, thank you for joining my lovely friend, and good to see you here, have a nice day, good day and good evening also my dear friend। तो दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं हम मेरी आज की लाइव स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक गेट लाइव नेक्स्ट पीस NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू, और आज हम इसके ऊपर डिटेल से बात कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू फेंडर शाह एंड क्रिप्टो 77 बांग्लादेश फैज़ान अब्बासी, आपका भी शुक्रिया फैज़ान, एंड हैप्पी ब्रदर एंड अदर ब्यूटीफुल, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों हमने बात की है अभी मेपल स्टोरी के ऊपर, स्वीप वेब के ऊपर, MSU एक्सप्लोरर के ऊपर। आप इसकी वेबसाइट भी देखें तो किस कदर खूबसूरत सी वेबसाइट है इसकी। तो चलते हैं अभी इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब। थैंक यू डियर फ्रेंड स्वेब, थैंक यू स्कॉलिंग, and now the white paper, I tell you the night white paper, NXPC white paper। अभी आपके सामने वाइट पेपर की डिटेल शेयर करेंगे. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट NXP, a protocol for the listing reward. Thank you Kasaki TX Tension, thank you, and SG Cooling, thank you so much, dear friend. And I tell you, there is listing reward. The Maple story core appeal stem from the its RX with the sense of the achievement and the sanctification player grown from the opting atoms. Two key factors derive RX utility and reality. Thank you. Utility. Now I'll tell you the utility. Utility index indicates your validator X across the different solution situation while try responding home limited scale atom and by the refining RX multiple story universe aims to the provide perform for the and the member experience that thrones deeply with the player. To achieve the vision, Maple Story Universal levers blockchain technology to enable interactions among the community credit application based on the Maple Story. Intellectual property and the blockchain ecosystem. This approach scientifically expert the spectrum of the use of the atoms that were previously limited to third the gap left thoroughly maximize their. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion, और गिव मी गिफ्ट. तो दोस्तों, आप दोस्तों के लिए आज एक बार फिर से क्रिप्टो चैंपियन ने गिफ्ट लगा दिया है. थैंक यू अबेक्सो, वेलिडो योवो एंड गेट यूजर लॉर्ड क्विक सुहेब एंड लॉर्ड क्विक उमर 21. थैंक यू सो मच उमर. तो आपको बता रहा हूँ दोस्तों, व्हाइट पेपर के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. अभी हमने यूटिलिटी के ऊपर बात की है, दोबारा से करते हैं यूटिलिटी. The rarity of the each NFT will be ensured through the prevent supply cap. NXP will the facilitate at the creation and the distribute of these limit NFTs thought two way to exchange system. Player can random NXPC for collection of NFTs. Exchange these sees the collection back into NXP. This inter challenge established the tractor concession where the collection into the NXPC reflect the collective utility of NFC as the interest in NXPC grow. It enter to ensure the perceived importance of the associated NFT, creating the strong RX for the player. Thank you so much, my dear friend Crypto Champion, for giving me your lovely comments. Thank you. आप दोस्तों की महत्वों का शुक्रिया. तो चैंपियन, आपके आने से खुशी होती है और आपको भी गुड इवनिंग. थैंक यू. So, to foster ecosystem growth, a contribution mechanism will be introduction to provide the proto and XPC reward to participation who help the acceptation Maple Story Universal. This mechanism talks and the asking knowledge contribution based on the NFT utilization and the ecosystem support. Each contributor reward determined by the level of the contribution applying equally to our participation, including the project team. The total amount of the period NXPC reward addresses over time to following halving schedule similar of the Bitcoin. Thank you again, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की महत्व का शुक्रिया. And now I tell you the NESO. Now, the game token of MapleStory Universal Operator with the Translation Convention rate of NXPC. Players use NESO across various various apps, and the market within the multiple story universal contributes can interrogate NESO and to their apps as a user reward of the thought. In-app purchase business models of premier content ensuring user engagement. This the flexibility allows player to earn NESO thought in-app internet interaction and access additional contact. Now NXPC again. Reward under the contribution mechanism will the until to community member under the common vision ensuring RX the thought the creation effort of the organic ecosystem will be created to realization and the unlimited potential of Maple Story Times. Furthermore, this will serve as soon as foundation for the providing rich and the more management RX to player. Thank you again, my dear friends. Now I tell you the final lines. The tokenized built to NFT, NXPC, and the NESO combination and the collaboration with the mechanism will the drive Maple Story. Universal sustainable growth. This Maple Story Universal unique version watch will the realize thought blockchain technology. Thank you so much again, my dear friend Jalaluddin, Walk, and Remy and Umar. Thank you. So now I tell you the introduction. Now you see beautiful picture, my dear friend. 250 million plus and 21 years, 50 million plus and 50 billion plus. Thank you so much. Now you see the beautiful theme picture, my dear friend. And now I tell you the introduction. Maple Story 20 years old journey has been nothing short of the remarkable, driving over 250 million people and the generating 5 million in revenue. What is the even more impressive that the 50 million player have remaining role of the more than the decided establishing Maple Story as the prior to graduation defying game. The games ensuring the success stem of the multiple full long-term operation storing and the deep underlining of the let's score appeal reward experience RX which they make is the game entirely fun up to play. Thank you again, dear friend. Now you see today my topic Geared Live NXPC project overview, and I tell you the total detail. And now in this time I tell you the introduction of this project. Building on the success, the vision is no take Maple Story RX to the next level. The next phase of the RX will incorporate blockchain technology, non-fungible token NFT, and the tokenization thought the elements Maple Story Universal invoicing as the vibrant ecosystem, where community members work together to unlock the full potential of game limits while the building self-sustaining ecosystem. Here the blueprints for this exciting new chapter in the Maple Story evolution. Thank you, dear. I tell you now, my dear friend, the introduction in this project and move forward. Now, thank you. Reward experience RX. Now, the vision and the reward experience RX. For the past 20 years, Maple Story has redefined the landscape for the online games with a player base exceeding 25 million and the revenue of 50 billion. These statistics reflect multiple story established potential and the cultural contact has the ensuring multiple graduation. Not all the games successfully create IP-based service that deliver of more than 20 years as the multiple story has yet may game the development terms of service of the achievement. What is the select behind the long-lasting game like Maple Story? What enable their sustainable live service? Some to might print to the functionality graphic or the missive in the game contact, but the today focus all of the effing addressing adults fun. Thank you so much. Now I tell you again, if player no matter how many times they play a game and consume it is the content still experience new thing and have fun. Game will continue to be loved to the achieve this the development need term to according the identification, the game, instruction, appeal, and the designing it so sustain player contribute emission they can sustainable service line in the constantly developing in the interest fun. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Then what constitute the core fun element of multiple story? It can be defined to reward experience RX, the sense of achievement and the sustained fiction from the opting terms. It player you will feel when you finally get the items you have wanted to RPG game. The sense of the achievement that comes after a longer introduction is the true reward and game giving you are creating a long listing meme and there is a reasonable temporary maple story has been loved by the player for the decided because the development and successfully designing implement and the individualize this RX. Thank you so much my dear friend. Again the Suhan Abu Bakr, Sanaullah Abu Bakr and the Lord Queen and the Bishwa and Coco. Thank you so much, Bishwa and Coco. Now I tell you again from the development team, the precipitate to the care of RX would do to quite simple. You just give player good atom in single player game to development has been unlimited direction along them giving to ensure reward to player making designing really easily. And now however, the same cannot be said to online games. We are sustainability of the most important online game player have different purpose and the proportional stable reward system that sustainably all the player no easy task. Players start playing at the different time and the different reason and the performance of living up out playing and they cannot by very scientifically. These development playing mingle and the game world, the fighting, the competition, calculator, and the trade ultimately creating entering game ecosystem. Now I tell you again, my dear friend, this is the reward experience RX. In this messy and the dynamic world, in interesting protofiles areas at time that looked decent when you were alone, they filed no seam lecture among the atoms. This completing why the Weber and the scientifics of atom in online game economize microgame providing sustained factory RX to player quality challenge for ideal RX development and to keep introduction activity atom but the task is completed by the risk of the mining in the appeal of accessing atom bailing the introduction of the atom while maintaining in the scientification of the XX achievement requirement declined RX designing. Thank you. To create idle RX in online game like Maple Story, it is the ensuring to provide atom that offer both critical scientifics and the sense of sustainification to player. The approach necessarily consider of two main factor utility and rarity. Thank you again, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Now utility and now see the RX utility and now this is the picture. See my dear friend, this is the beautiful picture and now I tell you the detail. Let us decided the first factor utility reference to how effective and the atom can be used across version situations. Generally, the more broadly applied and the atom in the greater interest its greeners. For instance, while the underlying snaker cannot effective providing sampling on the ice snake, specially designing for ICY condition would be more useful as the you can want to safely and wither the worldly station. Therefore, if they are honorary factors, such appearance are the additional the specialization snacker would provide as more distributable. Thank you so much, my dear friend Wahid Bishwa and Black Chain. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो जुड़े रहे और देखते रहे। आज की मेरी स्ट्रीम का टॉपिक है NXPC के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं और बेब आपको यूटिलिटी के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं। तो आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों यूटिलिटी से। Utility is the one of the circle elements that the determination particle appeal of the object. Thank you so much, dear friend. I tell you, object a symbol principle appeals to game word. Consider two additional weapons. Expect that one that one of the high has scientification status in this case. The upon weapon, the higher star enable player to face a strong monastery and can be utilized a vendor rate of the scare marketing it more useful. Thank you so much again, dear friend. Now I tell you again, strong monetization and utilize a window range of the senior marketing of the air. Then how? Thank you so much. Then how, my dear friend? Then how Maple Story made Atom more useful. Thank you for joining again, my dear friend. Now this is the my project overview. NXPC. So, dear friend, I tell you again. Then, however, the Maple Story made Atom more useful. Constitution introduction deserve new content to ensuring RX by the broadening the way ensured Atom could be utilized. The Overpass 2 decided to handle to developer and protect in improves the volume of content such in new condition character access. Thank you. Skill sets boss and boss monastery and the involving the new constitution areas. Thank you so much, my dear friend. The achievement goal to Contable AA game. Maple Story release for the few major update. Thank you again, my dear friend. Maple Story release for to few major update and only currently a proxy and the technology update one including minor and the season update. The continuational ensured initial inspection of these fraction high quality update carefully determination that the Maple Story explain what is the means to be the live game. Each time new content in the introduction to game, the running of the use of the each atom expand, they are increasing its participation appeal. This is my way. Maple Story has been strive to ensure utility. It is that the climb of creating and wanting atom online the game and they are boosting RX. Thank you again, my dear friend. Now I tell you again utility. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. And now reality. RX reality. I tell you the RX reality now real, epic and unique. So my dear friend, the reality is another critical element that generalization the appeal of an atom and it to matter how powerful it is the would it would the it would the not give players much justification is everyone could easily overturn to one country and the atom with lower utility but the extreme reality might be highly desired by the main player. Consider any almost one of the kind decoration it atom It may not be aid you in the battle mining. It is the utilities is hollow. However, it would do still to the growth processing due to its reality. Thank you so much again. A well designing reality system requirement to careful consideration how to difficult in term to the obtain. Additionally, we adding new atom nearly balanced with the exciting atom and must be too carefully examined to the ensure the it's the Maple Story development team. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Able design to system requirement carefully consideration of how to different term are to obtain. Additionally, when the adding new atom their balance which exciting atom must be carefully examined to ensure the Maple Story development team material plans and update, collect and the analyze and the misway amount to data and the activity listing to player feedback. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Now, Automind program no has boots that the platform respective task pose the scientific challenge to the Alibert process to of reality management. Its boot from the atom and the game crossing indiscriminately readily would do investment playing. The disruption would that destabilize the game ecom and underlining reality and foundation of RX. Thank you so much again, my dear friend. And now, reality, I tell you. This achievement would not have been possible without the board decided system, especially designing for the live service operator. Maple Story successfully implement this system driven yet by the deep underlining of the how to action RX thought the effectory management system. Thank you so much. Now I tell you, my dear friend, again the RX reality. Next one. Now I tell you the next one. Next step. Thank you. The ultimate vision of the Maple Story Universal is to sustain Maple Story legacy for success for the and other decided the beyond which requirement deployed innovation. Looking forward, we must consider what the direction Maple Story Universal should lead to deliver to the next generation RX for player in our rapid evolving employment industry landscape. Thank you so much, Umar. आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया उमर. And now to answer this critical question, Maple Story Universal has deeply explored the instructs nature of RX. The investing had identification blockchain technology as critical factor in the elevation. Blockchain can scientifically ensure the RX by the ensuring digital asset rarity and the transparency. While the enable seems interpretation, the following action will examine the vision of the future of RX and greater details. Now looking forward, RX. Thank you. Utility and Reality 2. Utility 2.0 limited option and the Reality 2.0 limited supply. Thank you so much, great user friend Fofo and Japanese Blue. Thank you, Japanese Blue. Crypto 77, Vano TX, Browser and Bakre, the MST. Thank you so much, MST. And other gear user friend, thank you for joining. Now you see today my topic gear live next piece NXPC project overview, and I tell you the total detail of this project, my dear friend. Thank you. And now in this time I tell you the Utility 2.0 Limitless Potential. Earlier efforts to enhance the RX in the Maple Story were highlight including high distance content update, effective atom distribution, and not be equidation. Now scientific resources are the devoted to the provide risk, which have sustained Maple Story RX building upon the foundation Maple Story Universal Induction Introduction RX 2.0, the next evolution. Thank you so much, dear friend. And now, looking forward, I tell you utility. Thank you, utility 2.0 and Maple Story ecosystem. So, my dear friend, you see the beautiful picture. Forum, phone, calibration, duration, apps. खूबसूरत पिक्चर आपके सामने है दोस्तों, आप देख सकते हैं मेपल स्टोरी इकोसिस्टम। और अभी आपको इसकी डिटेल भी बताता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच सकलैन सरदार एंड मसाक, थैंक यू मसाक एंड सकलैन सरदार। So, dear friend, I tell you the blockchain. The discussion being with the next level RX means it terms of utility, ensuring the utility could involve scientific increasing the amount of the content by the doubling of the uh, grade popping project personal allowing major updates and practically as the ever month refer the every year. Thank you so much again Faho and other guild friend Faho, आपकी मददों का भी शुक्रिया। Now, however, this approach is impactfully and the excessive cost more immutation emerly creating a large volume of similar content does not necessarily improve RX for the player. Therefore, Maple Story Universal has decided to strategize for the journey to RX 2.0 delivers content expression, thought calibrate effect from the community. Thank you again, Faho and other great user friend. Thank you for joining my live stream. So, my dear friend, I tell you the overview of this project NXPC white paper, and now I tell you the white paper detail, and now in this time I tell you the blockchain. Now, my dear friend, looking forward for this contact exception, Maple Story Universal aim to leverage both internally development cannot to contact validation created by the community. Thank you. These days, the concept of playing games has evolved to be more simple, integrating with the core game client. It new encompasses driver to experience, including community reward activities such as the possible part of and the creation from the discussion of live streaming and building and the playing apps reward the Maple Story IP. These activities scientific contribute to the sustainability and the deserve of the Maple Story. These activities scientific contribute to the sustainability and reward of the Maple Story IP. The success of Maple Story World upgrade contact platform democratize into innovative, potential, unshared when the creation tools are provided to community. Thank you, Lubab. Thank you for joining, Lubab, my dear friend Lubab. And now, however, the community activity. However, the community activity are currently spared from the game itself, which the revolve around the game developer. The reason for this specification it is the fun in the operating and the utilization atoms. IERX has been limited to in-game experience. Maple Story Atom have been available only within the game client, which limits the similars cannot to the ecosystem of deliver way to work. Thank you again, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. So, but what if you could obtain and the atom with the game used in outside the game itself? Maple Story Universal envision Atom as a way to offer player device experience that good beyond the boundaries of the game client. To this the end, Maple Story Universal had designed a mechanism to tokenization all game Atom into NFT, allowing them to be used across the board blockchain ecosystem rather than just within the game. Client tokenized Atom will be able to move across version application within the universal as NFT, further exporting the scape of RX. Thank you so much again, my lovely friend Gate user and Vishwa. Now, this NFT based system will be survived as the bridge contacting providing game beyond Atom to the blockchain ecosystem, forming the foundation for a virtual cycle of the community engagement, contributing game Atom into the NFT libraries from the provision limited edition, propelling these Atom into the new utility denomination with the limited potential. Thank you so much, my dear friend. You are simply now I tell you. So, my dear friend, please pick the reward. Now, reward time is near. Saklan, Gate user, Istanbul. Thank you, Istanbul. एंड सकलैन आपकी मोहब्बतों का भी बेहद शुक्रिया। तो दोस्तों रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर लीजिएगा, रिवॉर्ड टाइम हो चुका है। यस आई टेल यू दी you are simply individual NFT to move free among application is too scientific to maximum their utility, ensuring Atom utilize and the implementation the next generation and required active collaborate with the community. This is way to Maple. This is way to Maple Story Universal SDK is being development. Maple Story Universal SDK will empower professional developers to build standalone application with advanced to technical compatibility. It will the future open APIs for accessing exciting multiple Maple Story Universal reason resource data, including the charter NFT as marketplace and the network data, and allow developer to application specific made video on NFT. Developers will have consider creative freedom, including the ability to unique response NFT. Moreover, as all application will operator to share underlying token, developers can collaboratively build upon each other creation similar to DeFi money Lego concept where protocols composing together to the create ensuring utility. Thank you so much. Now you see my dear friend SDK. Thank you. And now the Atom Insuring app download कीजिएगा, Healthcare app and the Global Question app. Thank you so much, my lovely friend SDK. And now I tell you again. Thank you for joining my lovely friend Shukera before 000 and main Diza and lucky husband. Thank you lucky husband, आप lucky हैं। And the Merton design, हमारे पास भी एक lucky husband है दोस्तों। Thank you for joining. Now I tell you again, the flexibility will promote to vibrant ecosystem of spin effort while ensuring all NFT remain the ground in the official Maple Story IP. Player over world will be able to enjoy these the server application and character will be reward for their contribution to the ecosystem. This approach in instead of the help Maple Story NFT overcome previous limitation in the atom utilized by establishing and the environment where creative can flourish within the Joseph's ecosystem of seamlessly integrating applications. Thank you so much, Bipa. And now the reserve content expression faculty by the SDK will be core foundation of the implementing RX 2.0. The dynamic expansion driven by the consider contact update and achieve the community participation will fundamental reference gamely experience and ensuring introduction among player and broadening the defined game itself. As more player engaging with the community created application layer of player interaction of the near depending creating a rich RX. Thank you so much, my dear friend Marina Diza and Proto and Bakri. Marina, thank you. Have a nice day, Marina. Please follow, pick the reward. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend. तो आप दोस्त देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक जो है गेट लाइव नेक्स्ट पीस NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू और अभी हम उसके वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और आपको तमाम तर तफसील मैं बता रहा हूँ वाइट पेपर की। और भी आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों, द नेक्स्ट वन। थैंक यू। दिस इज द रियलिटी and now reality 2.0 and I tell you now, thank you so much. RX 2.1 extend beyond the merely ensuring utility Maple Story Universal must be also addressed. Challenging related to reality and other ensuring element to determination and the atom appeal to development next generation RX we need to explore system. Thank you so much, my dear friend, again. And I tell you now the RX2 reality RX 2.0. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend. RX 2 extend the beyond the materially ensuring utility Maple Story Universal must be also address challenges related to rarity and other ensuring element determination and atoms appeal to implement next generation RX we need explorer system reality management before discussing and these the measure let's explanation issue in the surrounding game atom ability and the disability. Thank you so much again, Lisha. आपका का शुक्रिया लिशा। So generally gaming atom and to loss of their reality over time which poses to scientific challenge give the inherent nature of game designing resolving to the duration of time scientification fundamental level is the nearly impossible without the complete radiation. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you for joining. Now, my dear friend, I tell you this project overview. Geared Live Next Piece NX पीसी प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू। विश्वा आपका शुक्रिया, सकलैन सरदार आपका भी शुक्रिया। So it most MMOPRGS, including the original map story, atom or reward to individual player based on the action. This mechanism allows it to create almost infactly for the instance 1000 player each defeat monster and the option reward atom. The number of that atom the game world instantly increased by the thousand during the long-term service operator. Thank you. Now, player numbers consistently flexion making according estimation impossible. Therefore, sustainability management and the total number of the atom that accumulate over time provides to be the challenging task, making it difficult to maintain risk related to key component of RX. Thank you so much dear friend, आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया। So please follow कीजिएगा, reward भी लीजिएगा। Lisha Pishwa, thank you. To overcome, I tell you my friend again. Now, to overcome this problem, Maple Story Universal introduces a new programming with the limited quantity atom. This approach maintains consider maximum atom supply regulation of the player numbers of NXPC, ensuring these limit circle and the original based on the ecosystem demanded. The token The token governs atom calculation while the serving as powerful tools for the community members to validation creator content, ensuring both limit utility and reality. Thank you so much, my dear friend Bishwa and Satlan Sudar. Crypto 9x, thank you. Disha, good luck. Jenning, thank you, good luck. Huge 543210. Abutant and the gate user and the other gate user friend, thank you. So I tell you the NXPC. NXPC work through the following process. Participation can earn NXP reward based on their level contribute measured by their impact of Maple Story. Universal Thought Platform Window Promotional Initiative Program with their insured token user can redeem NXPC for the collection of atom. Thank you so much, my dear friend Abex and other dear friend. Thank you. Now, conversely, these collection can be exchanged back into NXPC. This create dynamic balance with the atom and demanded increase user randomly. NXPC to introduce more atom into the circulation. Thank you so much, Brola. Thank you, my dear friend. क्या हाल है आपके ब्रो लव? How are you, my dear friend? Thank you for joining, bro love and Mastiff Gate with a friend and the Azan Sajjad. Thank you, Azan and Mard 007 मर्द साहब आपका भी शुक्रिया। काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आप नज़र आए हैं मर्द साहब। प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा, रिवॉर्ड भी ले सकते हैं मर्द साहब आप। Considerably this collection be exchanged back into the NXPC. They create dynamic balance with it as its demanded increase your random NXPC introduction more atom of the circulation. When rarity management, so my dear friend, when this collection can be exchanged back to into NXP, this create a dynamic balance when atom dynamite increasing user random NXPC to introduce more atom into the circulation. When priority management become necessary, atom can be exchange back into the NXP. This two-way to exchange naturally regulation and the circulating supply for the atom, maintaining the distinct balance between the availability for reto that defense RX 2.0. Thank you so much, my lovely friend, beginner number 888 beginner, and Bishwa also thanks, and the Crypto 77 Bangladesh Umar and other गेट फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर लीजिएगा। अब रिवॉर्ड टाइम बिल्कुल करीब है दोस्तों, आप फॉलो के साथ रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर सकते हैं। आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो आप दोस्त देख सकते हैं आज का मेरा टॉपिक है ब्रू लव कम कम। थैंक यू सो मच ब्रू लव कम कम एंड वेलकम। आज का टॉपिक आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव NXP प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर, NXP प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर, और हमारा टॉपिक है। थैंक यू सो मच गेट यूजर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच डियर फ्रेंड, आपकी मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। थैंक यू। Gate.io लॉन्च पूल बूस्ट NEX next piece NXPC rewards take BTC ETH to earn reward deliver in real time. So thank you so much my dear friend, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो दोस्तों चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। Gate.io launch pool boosts NXPC rewards take BTC ETH to earn reward deliver in real time. Thank you. Now looking forward my dear friend, Gate.io launch pool will boast next piece NXPC May 21 2025 at 12 UTC. Total staking reward 18936 NXPC. Thank you again my lovely friend for joining my live stream. तो दोस्तों आप देखते रहें आज की स्ट्रीम मेरी, और हम आज बात कर रहे हैं Gate.io लाइव लॉन्च पूल के ऊपर, NXPC के ऊपर, नेक्स्ट पीस लॉन्च पूल के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो जुड़े रहें दोस्तों। एंड आई टेल यू Gate.io लॉन्च पूल विल बूस्ट नेक्स्ट पीस NXPC staking rewards take BTC ETH earned to NXP token reward every hour. Thank you so much my lovely friend, thank you for joining. And now I tell you again, airdrop detail, staking period May 18 2025 12 and May 21 2025 at 12 UTC. Token total staking reward 18936 NXPC. Thank you for joining my dear friend, आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो आगे चलते हैं। अनलॉक रूल्स 100% अनलॉक। थैंक यू। अंडरलाइनिंग रूल unlocking rule 100% unlock Gate.io launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project officially launch, ensuring reward immediately once mining begins. Thank you so much my dear friend. Now reward distribution. The system will distribute token reward to user support account ever hop based on the proportion of the assets staked by the each user. Launch pool FAQ. Thank you again Bishwa and Yuzo. Thank you Yuzo. Abdullah Field. Thank you so much Abdullah and Yuzo. Have a nice day my all dear friend. So I tell you the reward distribution once again. The system will distribute token reward to user support account every or based on proportion of the assets staked by each over launch pool at FAQ. And now launch pool FAQ. How to participate log into your how to participate log in your Gate.io account and complete identity verification. Native to Gate.io launch pool hold at last 0.0001 BTC and now 0.00003 ETH click stake. Thank you so much my dear friend for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आप देख सकते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक, हम आज प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं। तो जुड़े रहने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। अभी तमाम तर डिटेल आपके साथ शेयर करते हुए दोस्तों इस प्रोजेक्ट की गेट लाइव नेक्स्ट पीस NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर। थैंक यू। नाउ प्रोजेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन आई टेल यू। MapleStory Universal is built on the Honesty L1 and will interrogate the MapleStory IP, provide foundation application such a Maple Story. It will also encompass Selenium application development by the our term along with availability of executive developer and the creator on beyond application. नाउ यू सी दी वेबसाइट। दोस्तों आपको वेबसाइट मैंने अभी टोटल आपको दिखाई है। थैंक यू परवोटो एंड सुखेरो, थैंक यू। आपको अभी दोस्तों मैंने वेबसाइट का विजिट कराया है और तमाम टल उसकी पिक्चर और डिटेल भी आप दोस्तों के सामने हमने शेयर की है। थैंक यू सो मच। तो वेबसाइट का हमने विजिट कर लिया है दोस्तों। अभी हम फिर चलेंगे आगे की जानिब। Gate.io Lab investment disclosure. Gate.io Labs did not invest this competition, my dear friend. Thank you for joining, my lovely friend. So, Gate Lab investment disclosure. Gate.io Lab did not invest the next piece NXPC. Now note, I tell you the note. Thank you for joining, my dear friend. Have a nice day. Good day. Thank you for joining. Now I tell you the note. Gate.io launch pool, an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or the other token to earn hourly airdrop, not new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for efficient capture marketing opportunity. Thank you again, my dear friend. Now number 2. Please complete identity verification before the participating. तो दोस्तों अभी आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ इसके नोट्स के बारे में, तो आप ये पैरा गौर से फरमाइएगा, गौर फरमाइएगा। प्लीज कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन बिफोर द पार्टिसिपेशन इन लॉन्च पूल। तो आप सबसे पहले अपनी आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन कराएंगे इस लॉन्च पूल से पहले। द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ योर अकाउंट एंड एसेट्स, ताकि आपके अकाउंट और एसेट्स सेफ रहें। थैंक यू सो मच। नाउ नंबर 3, प्लीज adhere to relevant rules of the event when participating and any cheating behavior in purportive and the ensuring of any discrepancy will result in the disqualification of the reward। तो दोस्तों अगर आप कोई अपनी गलत ज़बान इस्तेमाल करेंगे या 2 नंबरी करेंगे या कोई और अकाउंट बनाएंगे तो आपको डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन का सामना कर पड़ सकता है। रिवॉर्ड के लिए आपको रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा। Where and any discrepancy area between the translation version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail। Thank you again, my lovely friend। आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं। When any discrepancy areas between the translation version and the English original version, the English version shall prevail। Gate.io reserve all right to the final explanation। Thank you। And now number 6. The event is not affiliated with the Apple link. Number 7, user in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access the service, including the participation in event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details. Thank you, my dear friend. Now the risk warning. I tell you the risk warning. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be low than its Intel sale price. Please invest with your caution and do not invest beyond your financial capacity. Now number 2. This is the risk warning, my dear friend. This project term does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its Intel sales price. Always invest the caution and do not invest beyond your financial capacity. तो दोस्तों इसमें बताता चलूँ, प्रोजेक्ट टीम का कहना है कि आप जब इसमें इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो अपनी फाइनेंशियल हैसियत को और अपनी फाइनेंशियल कैपेसिटी को देखते हुए इन्वेस्ट कीजिएगा। और टीम इस चीज़ की गारंटी नहीं दे रही कि आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट करेंगे और ये बूस्ट कर जाएगा। तो आप अपनी अकल के मुताबिक इसके ऊपर इन्वेस्ट कीजिएगा। थैंक यू। नंबर 2, द क्रिप्टो प्रोजेक्ट स्टिल इट्स इंटर स्टेज factor including the operation and the underlying technology of project and their related regulatory activity might contribute to scientific risk. Advanced technology, financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the internet risk of crypto asset investment. Now number 4, the market volatility is high and the price of token might factor dislocation due to technical regulatory and marketing factor. Now number 5, user may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to the technical issue of the project of the Gate.io. Gate.io team, May 17, 2025. And now gateway to crypto. Thank you so much, my lovely friend. Have a nice day and good day. Good to see you, Sukhera and Crypto Champion. Thank you for joining. आप दोस्तों की मोहब्बतों का शुक्रिया। वॉल्क एंड सी सकलैन हैदर, आपका भी शुक्रिया। थैंक यू फॉर क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन गिव मी रेड रोज। आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद ममनून हूँ। क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, आप गिफ्ट भी लगाते हैं और गिफ्ट देते भी हैं साथ, आपका शुक्रिया। नाउ गेटवे टू क्रिप्टो, ट्रेड ओवर 38 क्रिप्टो करेंसी safely, quickly, easily on Gate.io. Take action now. Crypto King Rajesh, thank you, Crypto King Rajesh. Take action now. Sign up to claim up to 10,000 US welcome reward. Invite friend and earn 40% commission. Stay contest. Visit Gate.io official website and download the Gate.io app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic. Engineering with the global community for the last instance, temporary transparency and security. Check your 100% proof of reserve. Thank you so much, my dear friend. तो आपने देखा आज का हमारा प्रोग्राम Gate.io launch pool boost next piece NXPC reward staking BTC ETH earn reward deliver in real time। और मैंने आपको तमाम तर मालूमात इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जो थी आपको बताई। इसका वेबसाइट भी आपको विज़िट कराया, इसमें खूबसूरत से पिक्चर थे और खूबसूरत सी स्टोरी थी जो मैंने आप दोस्तों के साथ शेयर की। इसके अलावा इसका वाइट पेपर जो था, वाइट पेपर के ऊपर भी हमने डिटेल से बात की दोस्तों। इसके प्रोजेक्ट इंट्रोडक्शन के ऊपर मैंने बात करी, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर, नोट के ऊपर और तमाम सारी चीज़ों के ऊपर हमने बात करी। तो आपने देखा दोस्तों आज का हमारा प्रोजेक्ट। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड अगेन। थैंक यू सकलैन सरदार साइंटिक, थैंक यू। and Crypto King again, thank you. BTC Men, thank you. Walk and See, thank you so much. Walk and See, thank you for joining. थैंक यू सो मच। मैं अपने दोस्तों का कुछ शुक्रिया अदा नहीं कर सका, तो अभी तमाम दोस्तों का हमने प्रोजेक्ट क्यों कंप्लीट कर लिया है, तो मैंने सोचा आपका शुक्रिया भी अदा करूँ। रोटो, उमर एंड सुखेरा, अब्दुल्ला, फीड, यूजो, रूटो एंड विश्वा, thank you for all my lovely friend. So my dear friend, you see the NXPC। तो आज हमने बात की NXPC के ऊपर, और मेरा जो आज का टॉपिक था दोस्तों वो था गेट लाइव नेक्स्ट पीस NXP प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू, और हमने इसके ऊपर तमाम तर डिटेल से बात की। तो जिन दोस्तों ने मिस किया मेरा प्रोजेक्ट, तो मेरी स्ट्रीम ख़त्म होने के बाद वो मेरे चैनल पर जाके इसको दोबारा से देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वट, थैंक यू सो मच वट। और ये आपके सामने है इस टाइम दोस्तों हमारा प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू। हमारा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव नेक्स्ट पीस प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो दोस्तों एक बार फिर से आपकी मोहब्बतों का बेहद शुक्रिया। जिस तरह से आपने मोहब्बत के साथ मुझे ज्वाइन किया, फॉलो किया, लाइक किया, कमेंट्स किया, और तमाम तर डिटेल आपके सामने मैंने पेश की, आप दोस्तों ने देखा। थैंक यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम, एंड नाउ टुडे you give me beautiful comments, follow and like also. Thank you for joining। I एक बार फिर से आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद ममनून हूँ, शुक्रगुजार हूँ। इंशाल्लाह आपसे दोबारा बहुत जल्द फिर मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू वीट, फाफो 8888, गीज़ो एंड फाफो फिफ्टो 77 बांग्लादेश, थैंक यू सो मच। तो इंशाल्लाह दोबारा कल आपसे इंशाल्लाह दोस्तों एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ बात करेंगे। अभी आज हमने बात की गेट लाइफ NX नेक्स्ट पीस के ऊपर, नेक्स्ट पीस NXPC प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के ऊपर, और टोटल डिटेल मैंने आप दोस्तों से शेयर की। तो कल इंशाल्लाह एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। तो बने रहें, जुड़े रहें क्रिप्टो आई के साथ, और मैं अपनी तरफ से 100% देने की कोशिश करूँगा। इंशाल्लाह उम्मीद है कि आपको डिटेल भी पसंद आएगी। थैंक यू अगेन माय डियर friend for joining my lovely friend Fafo 8888 and other dear user friend Crypto 77 Hima 4554। Thank you so much my dear friend। Goodbye and Khuda Hafiz।